you? Today we are going to learn about birds. You have must seen many birds around your home. Do you know their name? Today we are learn about birds. Duck, D-U-C-K. Duck. This is a duck. Duck lives in water and duck eats fish and frog. Crane, C-R-A-N-E. Crane. This is a crane. Crane eats fish and frog. Crow, C-R-O-W. Crow. C for crow. This is black in color. Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. Sparrow eats small food grains. Owl, O-W-L. Owl. This is an owl. Owl comes out from his nest only at night. Owl eat rats and other small creatures. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. This is an eagle. An eagle eats snake and rabbits. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock is very beautiful bird. A peacock is national bird of India. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. This is a parrot. A parrot is green in color and parrot eat chilies. Vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. This is vulture. V for vulture. Tailor bird, T-A-I-L-O-R-B-I-R-D. Tailor bird. T for tailor bird. Woodpecker, W-W-D-P-E-K-E-R. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. This is pigeon. A pigeon grey in color. Kite, K-I-T-E. Kite. This is a kite. Hen, H-E-N. Hen. This is a hen. Kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher is blue and orange in color. Kingfisher eat fish. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Bulbul, B-U-L-B-U-L. Bulbul. This is a bulbul. Swan, S-W-A-N. Swan. This is a swan. Stork, S-T-O-R-K. Stork. This is a stork. Thanks for watching this video.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें.